Gada gadi gada oh.
Hi guys, please welcome to my first video on my YouTube channel. So before then, let me introduce myself first. My name is Shakira Azahra and everyone called me Shakira. I'm a communication studies major at Pamulang University. And now I want to talk about something that actually has been a big part of my life, that's English. So yes, the topic it's gonna me and English.
I am a stick. If hot, stop it. Get some help.
Talk about English. I think the first time I started to learn English when I was in kindergarten, when I was child. It was just basic subject like learning colors, learning numbers, counting numbers 1, 2, 3, 4 until 10, and then learning say simple words like a cat, an apple, a dog. I didn't think too much of it at that time. It was just something fun and new for me to learn. I didn't understand why it was important. I'm always curious why I should learning this language. I mean, no one around me actually spoke English in real life.
Oh my god! Wow!
But as I grew older, I started realizing that English actually really useful, especially in my life. I'm a musicaholic. I love listening to the music every day, every doing something, and I began listening to foreign songs. And I think it's when I start enjoying English more. And since I'm a K-pop fan, I love translating the K-pop songs, the Korean lyrics into the English lyrics to understanding what their meanings. It was just something fun, and it made me realize that English can connect me to the things I love. And then I start to learn English in a more natural way through the things I actually enjoy, like by some songs, some movies. I watch movies with English subtitles, something like that. I didn't even realize I was learning, but little by little I get better to understanding what people were saying. But honestly, even though I learned English for years, I'm not that confident to talk in English, to speak it. I didn't have anyone to practice, so I felt awkward and unsure of my pronunciation. And what I did was I practiced speaking by myself. Yes, I literally talking English with myself. Sometimes in front of the camera like this, sometimes in front of the mirror, sometimes just randomly while doing things. Like when I'm about to sleep, I like talk about my day in English with no one else in my room, just me.
아, 진짜 어떡해.
Because I think the most important part of learning English is practice. Practice how to use some grammar, practice how to pronounce some words. It helped me a lot to build my confidence and get used to thinking in English.
Oh my god! Wow!
And now here's where things change. I start to working at an international school, which is half of the students and the teachers are foreigners. So of course they use English as their daily communication, and that's when English became a big part of my life. At first I was super nervous. I was afraid that I wouldn't understand them, or what if I still make mistake when I'm talking. But because I had to use English every day, I slowly got used to it. But of course, in the beginning, I made a lot of mistakes. I forget some words, pronounce things wrong, or mix grammar. But I realize is people don't really mind. Trust me. They understand that English is my first language, and they appreciate that I try. And it made me more confident and brave enough to speaking in English. Working in that kind of environment really helped me a lot to improve. I learned so many new words and new expressions just by listening to others. Slowly but surely I got better. Now I can say that I'm much more comfortable to speaking in English. I didn't say I'm perfect. I still make mistakes when I'm talking, but I'm proud of how far I've come because the old me didn't even dare to speak out this loud, and now I actually enjoy it. So for me, English has really changed my life. It started something small in kindergarten, and now it's become a big part of my job, my daily communication.
Oh my god! Wow!
And learning English has become important because English is a universal language. I mean, imagine you're going to some foreign place like Korean or Japan or China, but you're not being able to speak their language. As long as you can speak English, there is no problem. So that's why English is really important in our life, especially for me. And I will keep learning more and more and more. And I will going to some foreign place one day to really use my speaking English skills.
Stop it. Get some help.
So that's my journey with English. It hasn't always been easy, but it's definitely been worth it. And I've learned that the most important thing is not being perfect, but being brave and confident enough to try. And even now, I'm still learning, I'm still growing, and I'm still enjoying every bit of it. Thank you for listening to my story, and I hope it inspires you to keep learning too, because I will do the same. And see you next time.
Oke teman-teman, terima kasih sudah menonton videonya.